grande poder estar acá contigo, sobre todo sabiendo tu legado. Hace 20 años tuve la oportunidad de conocer a tu hermosa y luchadora madre. En el corazón de nosotros, sobre todo los estudiantes de esa época, llevamos el ejemplo de lucha que nos ayudó a llevar una transición entre la lucha por los derechos humanos y la lucha por la naturaleza. Bienvenida a Colombia.
Thank you very much. And that's very special to know that you met my mother. It's really, really special. So you're my sister.
Quisiéramos saber para ti cómo ha sido la experiencia de lo que significa hacer paz con la naturaleza desde la experiencia en Colombia y en tu país.
Well, you know, I'm so happy that the theme of this conference is peace with nature, because I feel the most at peace in nature.
In nature.
I think for many people, being in nature is inherently peaceful. I come from a community called the Kikuyu, in the local community in Kenya. And that community always made peace with trees. There were certain trees that were called trees of peace.
Yes.
Because you planted them to signify that peace was made. In so many ways, nature was always a symbol of peace. It was always a symbol of hope, but it was always a symbol of peace. And for many communities that live around forests, forests inspire them. They inspire awe. You look at them and you look at some of these trees, 300-400 years old, they're so big, you can't even imagine how they are standing there, so beautiful, so majestic. And it is part of our nature. We come from nature and we find peace in nature. It is very normal. Rivers, trees, vegetation make us feel at peace. So in our own culture, in our own traditional knowledge, was nature and peace were one. They were always part of the same. When you had to after a fight, or after communities had a fight, they planted a tree of peace.
Muchas gracias. Plantando esos árboles de paz, esa iniciativa y ese ejemplo, ¿cómo podríamos nosotros en Colombia, digamos, proyectar esa iniciativa? ¿Qué le podrías decir a los colombianos y colombianas de las comunidades de la Colombia profunda que anhelan paz y que podrían hacer paz con la naturaleza con tu ejemplo y el ejemplo de las mujeres de Kenia?
I am sure in Colombia that tradition is here.
Yes.
If in your because you have such beautiful forest communities, you have such deep, beautiful cultures that are so connected. I have seen people with beautiful dresses and necklaces that are made from nature. And so I'm sure that is there. If it's not, this is something you can introduce. I think the Minister of Environment, Susanna Mohammed, has been so prophetic. She looks into the future and she knows that trees and nature will always be a source of peace. And so it's something you can decide as Colombia. You want to adopt this principle of trees of peace. Trees are always nobody can be angry at a tree. Have you ever seen somebody angry at a tree?
A nadie. Ok, agradezco mucho tu tiempo. Son muchas más preguntas, muchos más intercambios lo que quisiéramos hacer contigo. Sabemos que tienes una apretada agenda, pero apreciamos mucho tus ideas, el gran discurso que diste en el marco del panel, que lo vamos a estar compartiendo en las redes del ministerio. Muchas gracias por venir a Colombia y siempre que quieras regresar, bienvenida.
Thank you for having me and thank you for inviting me. This is a beautiful country with beautiful people. I hope I come back.